Meaning of inconveniently.
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 Inconveniently. The word inconveniently refers to something that causes trouble or difficulty, and is not easy or suitable to deal with. It implies a lack of convenience and a disruption to one's plans or routine. When something happens inconveniently, it creates an annoyance or inconvenience that can lead to delays or frustration. In such situations, individuals may need to rearrange their schedules or make alternative arrangements to cope with the unexpected inconvenience. Overall, inconveniently suggests an unwelcome disruption to normalcy that can cause discomfort or inconvenience.